Hey guys, just wanted to give you a little update on how Kingdoms Reborn is going. So I've been building this game for a couple of months now in Unity and developed these models in Blender. And yeah, I just wanted to give you a little update on how it's going. So I'm just going to zoom in here for a sec and take a look at some of the models. Yeah, we got swordsmen, archers, horsemen here, as you can see. Quite a bit higher poly than the original game, of course. All of these have been completely redesigned from the original game. Also just going to give you a little bit of rundown on how behavior is going. We'll take a look at some stuff here. We see some other units as we hover over, getting pretty much the same effect as in the original Kingdoms. Yeah, let's go out and take our horsemen and maybe my knight and start moving around. I've also got this group of Amazon knights here. There's no particular story context that's happening at the moment. Just wanted to show off the models that I have done so far. So I'm going to take my Amazon knights this way. And one more thing I want to do is deploy maybe my barbarians and build a new barracks up here. We can see we've got some zombies on the edge of the to our side here. So I'm gonna just deploy my Amazon knights in an attack move so that they will just attack whoever they run into. And just pause there for a sec and watch our knights cut down these zombies. And as you can see as well, the tree models are wind responsive as well. The floor textures are actually from the original game. I got from Cartographer Map Editor the images for the terrains and created some normal maps out of that, as well as added some extra texture details to the terrain. That will also continue to get better. Of course, this is still very much in development mode, but just giving you this update on how it's going. I think it's pretty neat what I've done so far, and now I just want to take my barracks and show you some conjuring abilities. So I'm just going to conjure up 5 knights. And again, these are brand new models. This I just based pretty much on the artwork and kind of the shape of the original models. So I'm just going to take my troops over here and move them to the west. And here's some executioner action. I'll have my horsemen come down in an attack move. And the pathfinding is also a work in progress. It's not too bad right now. As you can see, it works, and works fairly decently, but that is definitely something need to improve. Animations as well, and animation transitions. So just a little bit of what really goes into building something like this. There's way more than I ever expected, and I've been doing computer programming for a long time. Game dev kind of here and there, on and off for a long time as well, but not really serious until I started this. And it's been a really fun experience, but it's also been a lot of work. So I hope to get a good bit more done and an actual skirmish functionality, eventually multiplayer, done with this game, and into really a real Kingdoms 2.0 game. See, my horsemen are clearing out here. So yeah, that's pretty much where I'm at with the Kingdoms Reborn dev build at the moment. And I'll keep you guys posted as I make more significant updates. And I hope you enjoyed the demo, and thanks for tuning in.